ハイパースピードメディア。
Hi, my name is Connor. This is my 1987 Toyota MR2. I bought it just last month. It has 123,000 miles, and it's original engine, original transmission. Everything is stock on this except for the wheels. They're aftermarket NK wheels, and they're actually really nice. I think that I like the way they look. They're aerodynamic, I guess, and I've wanted these cars for a few years now, and I finally found a good one, got a good deal on it, and yeah, it's a fun car to put around town in.
So for people that don't know, the engine is in the rear, right?
Yeah, it's in the rear. I can actually pop the hood.
Yeah. Oh, it's cool. Like your hood latch is right there.
Yep, right there.
Yeah.
Very easy to get to.
Yeah.
And
I know you didn't have this for too long, but like my main concern with these are like, because it's rear engine.
Yeah.
Like, is it hard to work on, or
honestly,
like changing spark plug or basic maintenance?
Yeah, so basic maintenance is actually really easy. Okay. Like oil changes aren't too difficult. The oil filter is a little tricky to get to. But stuff like accessory belts, because it's right here, it's a little tricky to get to.
Gotcha.
Spark plugs and stuff are easy because it's all right up top.
Right. I see the
and it's kind of nice when you have like doing top end stuff, because you have like a little ledge right here. You can just kind of set stuff on.
Tools and stuff.
Yeah. But
and
yeah,
that is the original engine?
Original engine, yep.
Wow.
And it's, with these MR2s, it's technically like a front wheel drive layout. They kind of just threw it in the back.
Right.
So if I have to look for parts, and I look up like 4AGE parts, I have to look up front wheel drive parts, because you know, the rear wheel drive engine's mounted differently.
Right. Did you drive it in the rain yet, or?
I have.
Okay,
I have.
Did it feel like it's slipping in the back more?
Not at all. Not at all. It feels really planted. If anything, the front end just feels lighter.
Okay.
It's definitely really fun, but if you knew nothing about cars at all, then you hopped in this thing and started driving it, unless you knew like a remote thing about a car, you would not know the engines behind you. It's mostly stock in here, except for a 90s aftermarket radio in there, and I have a Bluetooth cassette that I kind of connect to.
Oh, Bluetooth cassette?
Yep.
Oh,
yep.
nice. I like that you kept it like in its time, you know what
Yeah,
I mean?
yeah.
I didn't even know they make Bluetooth cassette nowadays.
Yep. Yeah, I had a wired one that I used to use, and then I switched over to this one because I found that actually on Amazon. And the headlight switch, you can actually have the headlights rest up and open. If you go up, and then push in, and they stay open with the lights off. Yeah, we'll show the frunk here. Yeah. It's actually just a hood latch, just like you're popping open the engine. But obviously, when you open it up, there's no engine.
Oh, so you got the spare tire in there.
Yep. Yeah.
Pretty roomy.
Yeah, pretty roomy for what it is, right? Spare tire, and then underneath all this stuff, there's T-top bags, which is very cool. I recently discovered this because, I mean, it's not been nice enough weather here in PA to have them down, but behind the seat, they have these little tie downs that you can, I guess, you push it up against. There.
Yeah. For both of them, or just
one on each side? Yeah, one on each side.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, so it's pretty ergonomic. They were kind of smart about it.
Right. Because where else are you gonna put it? You know?
Yeah. Because I definitely don't think they'd fit up front.
Right.
But yeah, T-tops are super easy to come out. I recently kind of messed with the T-top seals to kind of fix the leaks that they had. Nice. But yeah, very easy, very usable. And
best of both worlds.
Yeah, that's right. So
anything else, or where can I find you?
So yeah, I have an Instagram page, just my first and last name, Connor Morris, but I'm actually in a car club, and it's called the Outrunners, so you can find that on Instagram too.
Cool. Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course.
Hyperspeed Media